Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, I really appreciate you taking some time out of your day to come and see what I have. And today we have another beauty box and I'm so excited. They get it here lickety-split. They tell you it's shipping and you get it within a few days. So I'm so impressed. But I also want to tell y'all today, just to start off here, number one, I'm not sure about my nose. I mean, it is healing, and I'm keeping it strapped down. And I think that is helping. So thank you, Rhonda and Lori, that suggested those two different things to do. And today I got out my Jeffree Star shadows and I tried to work with them. Woo, boy, they're highly pigmented. And I don't know if I know what I'm doing. So my eyes are a little different than normal and I hope it looks okay. I had on blue, so I thought, heck, Jeffree Star has a lot of blue in all of his little palettes, and I think I used the Star Ranch. But today, we are going to check out Eyescream Beauty. That's right. Do you get this? This is a great box. This subscription is $24.99 a month. It's well worth it. You get over, I think you get over $100 worth of product. I'm not real sure on the value that they say that they give you, but I will tell you that this box is packed and it always has a palette. I got a little bitty sneak peek of the palette, but it is a monthly box. In my opinion, it's very affordable. They always send us a product card, and this one is January, You Are the Art. So I didn't know that was the title, but I definitely used my eyes today for art with what I was working with. So yeah, I'm not sure. And then I have been using my Charlotte Tilbury facial products, the highlighters and the Pat McGrath blush that I got. And it's really highly pigmented too. I still use my Estee Lauder here and there, you know, mixed in with what have you. But during the day, I've been using her, I guess, a hyaluronic serum and her moisturizer along with the other products that was in there. And then you got the glow set, you got the highlighter. And the only thing is I don't really care for her mascara and I don't care for her eye pencil. Just don't impress me, as they say. We're going to get on with Eyescream Beauty. That's what we're here for. We're not here to talk about and discuss other products. This here is You Are the Art, and I think I'm going to do the palette last. They have the palette first. I'm going to start off with the $1 Million Lips. This is a plumping gloss by the Beauty Crop, and it has a retail value of $11. I love that color. It's pink. Yeah, who doesn't like pink gloss? Well, I mean, I'm sure a few of us, but I like pink gloss. It'll go well over any lipstick just about. And this is a new year, new lips. This lip plumping gloss is absolutely gorgeous. It has a beautiful shine and it's very hydrating. It also smells amazing, and it has a watermelon seed oil to promote the moisturizing effect for lips and peppermint oil for plumping, and a slight tingling is normal for plumping products. And I'd say that's probably true. I'm probably going to keep this, so I'm going to try to get it open. Let me see if I can get it open. I will say they wrap up their stuff. Looky there, it has a dollar sign on the end because it's the $1 Million lip plumper. That's cute packaging. Oh yeah, so, and I like to try out lip plumpers because you never know, I might find another good one. But gee whiz, they have it packed tight. You're not just going to get into this real easily, I'll say that. Alright, there we go. We got it off. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's nice and thick. And it is pink. Put it on top of my red. I can smell the watermelon. Ooh, and the peppermint, whatever it said that it has for the plumping effect, I can feel that. It's very moisturizing, and I can feel it starting to plump up. Yep, okay. Very good. $11 for that. The next item is a Champagne Eye Crayon by Marabella Beauty. And that is right here. And it says it's an eye crayon. And it says champagne. So I guess this is just to add a little shine, probably, to your eyes. Is it supposed to be like that? No, I don't think so. I think it may be broken. Okay, there we go. So that's a champagne color. And I'd say that's very nice. That'd be good for highlighting your brow up there. I use a little gold out of that Jeffree Star. But this is a champagne eye cream. Very good. And by Marabella, and it had a $20 value. Our next item is liquid eyeliners, and it is by Oakland Cosmetics. It looks like they sent us 3. Let's see what it has to say. I see 3 products here that says Oakland on it. So let's see what it has to say. It says it's a $33 value. It's liquid eyeliners, and it says ×3 by Oakland Cosmetics. This set of eyeliners was chosen to complement the colors in the palette. The golds will complement the warmer shades, and the purple, of course, will complement the purple shades. And the black is perfect for any combination of colors. The purple and gold shades are shimmers. The black shade is matte. And like I said, it's a $33 value. And you can see inside the box what color they're going to be, and they're sparkly. And I like that. You know, I would use those, I think. And then we have a black. Very good. I'm going to check out this gold one. It's got very nice packaging. Look at that. Isn't that shiny and pretty? And it says Oakland. Ooh, and maybe it's a liquid liner. Wow. Yeah, I'll be hanging on to this. I like to give that a try. Let's check out the purple one. Do y'all like to use color for your liner? I do. I like to use blue and green. I like to use kind of all shades. I have on diamond right now, what they call a diamond brown. And this is the purple, so it's liquid eyeliner too. And it has pretty packaging. Just look at that packaging. That is very, very pretty. I love the packaging. Now the black one is just kind of plain because it's a matte. You're not going to get no sparkle out of this one because it is a matte. But let's take a look at the packaging. Since they've done so good with it, I want to check it out. And this is a liquid liner too. So guys, these are some nice liners. Very good. Yeah, and I love the packaging. All 3 packaging is really nice. And I'm going to put them back in there for now, but I'll probably hang on to these. But you never know, because I have so much makeup. Oh my goodness, I was going through my inventory today, and I'm just thinking, oh my gosh, how can I use this all up? Okay guys, let's go on to these palettes. The next item we have is a Travel Tea Face palette by the Beauty Crop, and it has a $15 value, and that is right here. And it's a travel tea, so I'm very interested in seeing what this looks like. What does a travel tea palette mean? Ooh, looky there, that might be some hints on our colors. Wow. Are we getting 2 palettes this month? I think we are. Because it is You Are the Art. Look at that packaging, the Beauty Crop. And there's the back side. This is the travel. Oh, okay. This is your blushes and your highlighters. Look at that. Some shimmers and then some flats. Oh, yeah. Very nice. That's really pretty. Oh, yeah. I like that. Do y'all like that? You see that white up there shines? You could use this for some shadowing too, I'm sure. Wow. Well, that's very pretty. And that was the tea palette, and it had a $15 value. I really love the Eyescream Beauty box. If you hadn't subscribed to this one, well, I would say, what are you waiting on? $24.99 a month, and of course you can save a little more if you do an annual subscription. So let's get into this one. Now this is the main event, and this one is called Rococo palette by Muse Beauty, and this is a $45 value. So let's break into this. I think I've seen a sneak peek on Instagram, or maybe they sent me an email, I don't know, but I did see like a sneak peek. Here's the packaging on the front, packaging on the back. Looks like we have some angels tending. And let's see what they're going to be working with to make this art. There we go. Alright guys, this is the Rococo. It's an art movement characterized by opulence, the joy of living with pastel colors. Meet the Rococo palette. A versatile palette, it says. And I wonder if it says the same thing on here. It says, meet the Rococo palette, 16 blendable pigmented shades inspired by Joy de Vera, including tan cream matte shades as a reflective wearable shimmer shades. Pastel shades may not swatch the best, but apply beautifully with brushes or patted on your finger, and it's meant to be buildable and blendable. Top 8 shades are warm tones, the bottom shades 8 shades are pastels. So here we go. Y'all ready? Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Y'all ready? Look at this palette. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, we've got us some glitter in there. We've got some mattes. And like they said, the lighter tones and pastels are to be buildable. And this is all buildable and blendable. This is a beautiful palette. What do you think? Oh my goodness. It's prettier in person than it was when I seen it on site. But that is gorgeous. So that is our palette. And it is a $45 value, and like I said, it's the Rococo palette, and it is beautiful by Eyescream Beauty. And I'm gonna put the screensaver back on there. We're gonna wrap this back up, but that was one of our items as a recap. We also had our Beauty Crop Tea highlighter packet that has all the different colors of highlighting. And it has all the names of them on the back. There's a lot going on in this little bitty palette, and it is a travel palette. We got our 3 eyeliners. We got our black liner, and we got our purple liner, and we got our gold liner by Oakland. So we had 3 liners. Great, great, great. We had this plumping lip balm, and I'll have to say it works pretty good. I can still feel the coolness on it from the peppermint on there. And of course it had the watermelon scent. And then we got this Marabella eye, and this was the eye crayon, and it was in cream. So that is Eyescream Beauty. We all scream for Eyescream Beauty. Oh, I love it. They have put out another great box. I have not been disappointed. I think this is my 5th one. I have one more on my 6-month contract, and I'm very excited about this subscription. I really, really like it. And they send us some great items. And before I go, let's take a look at this palette one more time. It's the Rococo Eyescream Beauty palette, and it has gorgeous colors. Oh yes, I've got my screensaver on there, and I'm going to keep it on there, and I'm going to wrap it all back up so it'll be nice and safe. But let me know what your favorite is. It's so hard to pick a favorite in this one because everything's so good. But I have to go with I love the palette. And I have to say, this is unique. I like the gold and the purple to go with my palette. So these are my favorite items in this Eyescream Beauty. What's yours? And that's all I have for Eyescream Beauty today. Be sure and check my description. I do have my 1,000 and 2-year anniversary still out there. It is good through the 31st. So if you have not watched that video and signed up for the giveaway, I would highly suggest it. There's a $100 Amazon card up for grabs along with 2 other great prizes. And I do have some collaborations that will be coming out in the next couple of weeks. And you never know, there could be a surprise giveaway out there somewhere. So be sure and watch my videos. But as for today and Eyescream Beauty, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.